Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product, and it's, well, you notice I'm not where I'm normally at. It's because it's a really big product, and it's this guy. Well, you know what it is. You all clicked on it. So let's go ahead and start to just tear it apart and put it together, and I'll show you what it's all about. But it's a big, nice office chair, right? Let's go. Cool, so let's go ahead and just delve into it. Like pretty good. Yeah, got a bit of a smooth roll to them. Yeah, they're all plastic except for this portion is metal that will lock you in, but everything else, I'm sure the rod for the wheels is metal, but everything else feels relatively plastic. Let's go back to it. See this? There's a front arrow right there. You'll see here, we've done the two. Now we're gonna do the J's to put in this upper portion of the arm, and then we're gonna lay the seat pad down, pivot it up, and lock it down to the bottom there. So I know, if I said it too quickly, it doesn't make sense, it's okay. You'll see. A little bit of a sweat factor in here from working on this. Let's test her out, guys. Ooh. This is, yeah, if you don't need the armrests, if you do, oh, this is so much better than what I have right now. And I like it's got a little flex to it, movement. And yeah, and there's a spring to loosen up this chair, but I like the way it's working now. All right, so I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time, and I'm out.